Hi, Tony. I thought I'll quickly create this video just to take you through what I think can work, but also we can talk about it on Friday as well. So currently you've got single products set up on the website, and then within each individual setup, you've got these variations where people can choose from. So what I would recommend is maybe not use this because, like you said, you want to keep this more consistent and easy enough for users to collect or to purchase. So what I would recommend, but I mean, we can discuss this and talk about how you would like to sell this. So what I was thinking, one can possibly set up mix and match. Um, So, for example, mix and match can be in categories of raid. So, all the raids can be in a mix and match product. And then the way it will appear would be something like this, where, so for example, if you've got 6 bottles of raid, you can put in all 6 versions of the bottles, and it will be aligned underneath each other. Then you can choose if you want to show the single pricing, so that as you would sell it on a single basis. So people will see the single price, but they need to. So, for example, this one is the mix and match for 12 items. So they need to go and select 12 of these bottle items. And then as they add more bottles, they will see how the price increases. Then the other way how you could sell it is, for example, if you don't want to show the individual prices, but you have a set price, for example, for a mix and match of 12, so you can just go and um, let's just save this quickly. So this is this draft setup that's on the system. Let me just wait for it to preview. Okay, I'm just going to click on preview again. Just waiting for it to finish. There you go. So now, instead of showing the singular prices for each product, it will show just the main pricing. So it doesn't matter which bottles you choose. So let's say, for example, if you choose all 6 raids, um, that price won't increase. It will be just a singular price of 175. Um, yeah, I think it just comes down to how you want to display it in the shop page. So we could set it up so that you only see the mix and match products, for example, where you can see all the mix and match reds, mix and match whites, or mix and match of all bottles, for example, all white or red. And then you can have the packages. So package of 6 reds or package of 6 whites, um, and and that's basically what people will get. And it's like of the same brand packages, and then we can have multiple ones. So we can have multiple of the Crescent. So it's going to be a 6 pack of Crescent. It's going to be a 6 pack of Chosen One. It's going to be um, yeah, a 6 pack of the Chosen One McLaren Bell, where people can buy 6 of those bottles. But then again, like I said, we can have a mix and match. We can have mix red and white, or just red or just white, um, as a package. But yeah, that's something we can discuss. But this is how it will display if you want to include certain bottles in a mix and match case. And then we can set the amount of bottles people can purchase, the maximum and the minimum. So the minimum is going to be 12 or 6, and the maximum is going to be 6 or 12. So it's however you want to sell it. And like you said, you want to either sell a 6 pack or 12 pack or if you want to make it, yeah, I think a 6-pack, 12-pack, yeah. So we can sell it that way, and we can create products that way. And this will make it, and I think where it comes down to make it easier for user to understand this page is if we add a description above all of this, where you can say, please choose one of each bottle, or one bottle specifically, and a maximum of 6. I think it comes down to the instructions we give users on how they need to purchase these bottles, for example, or these packages. Hopefully, this makes it a bit more clear as to what's possible. But yes, I think if we want to move away from this structure where you only have sell a single, well, this is a package where you're selling, so this is fine. But I think if you want to move away from this structure, so where people select the specific option, we could, or actually you can keep this one, and then all that you have to do is you just remove the top 2 options, and then just have like a 6, a case of 6 or a case of 12. Those options you can have as a single product, that we can do possibly. That's another option. But yeah, when it comes to mix and match, we can make a display like this. Hopefully that helps. Thanks. Bye.